Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So put the hands of a kid on the paper and draw the lines like this. So here we are making a giraffe. Make its eyes using the clay, draw its nose, make its hairs like this, draw some designs on its body, and your giraffe is ready. Next, take a kid's hand and draw the lines on the white sheet like this by putting in different manners like this. Now color it like using green and dark green color like this. Now put the pink color clay on it to make the flowers like this. Decorate it, make the clouds on the top as shown in the video. Color it, make some raindrops like this. Put the black lines on the mountains and it's ready. Next, take a green color on the brush and spread it to make the grasses on the white sheet. Put the yellow color over it like this. Now draw the branches like this and make some leaves. Now using yellow color, make the flowers over it using the earbuds like this. Decorate it as shown in the video. Make some clouds on the top using the earbuds. Decorate it carefully and it's ready. Next, take the white color paper and crumple it. Now take yellow color on it and paste it on the black paper like this and make the imprints. Now using the brush, draw the lines like this by using green color like this little bit. Make the beaks of the birds which we have made their legs like this and make its eyes using black color like this and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a white sheet, draw the green color line and fill it with color like this to make the land. Now take a clay and press it. Take a yellow color clay and press it like this. Take a orange, blue and different color clays in different shapes and put them one by one over the sheet like this. Using brown color clay like this, roll it and make the branches of the tree. Now draw the lines over the tree like this using brown color as shown in the video. Using white color, we will draw the lines. Make some clouds on the top using the marker and it's ready. Next, take a brown color cone and then draw the lines on it like this. Now put the yellow color paper and then put the clay on the brown part like this and spread it using the fingers. Decorate it using the clay, press it like this and make the balls as shown in the video. Put it one by one and your ice cream is ready. Decorate it like this using white color clay and it's done. I hope you liked it. You can decorate it further as per your choice. Next, take a white color sheet, put the yellow color clay and press it. Now take different colors and press it one by one as shown in the video. Here we have taken 4 to 5 colors. Now take the pink color clay, roll it like this and make a thin line. Now roll it and paste it over the black one like this or over all the clays in different manners. Make their eyes like this by putting white color balls, put the black color dots over it like this. Make their designs on the body like this. Make their hairs using different color clays and it's ready. Next, take a brown sheet and draw the lines on it like this using brown color marker. After that, draw the lines on it like this. Now put a leaf like cutting over it like this. Now take the white color clay and put the dots like this over the clay. Put some black color dots using the clay like this. Put a red color thing in the between. Make it and then put it like this on the sides and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.